Thank you, little sir. And we also have for Section B, boarding nursery, orange room. For the girls, we have Chelsea, Manila. And for the boys, Dwayne, Sebastian, Del Rosario. Hey! There you go, hold on over there. Congratulations, little sir. There you go. Okay. There you have it.